Alright, so this is a video of my 2007 Chevy Avalanche with a 5.3 liter Vortec motor. It's got the AFM, which is active fuel management, meaning it has the ability to turn off half its lifters, go into 4-cylinder mode when you're coasting. Concept behind that was to save fuel economy. Doesn't really make a difference whatsoever, but cool idea, I guess. Apparently, it's known to cause more issues and benefits, and long story short, the special lifters for the AFM are known to fail. They're roller lifters, and over time the rollers on them just break down. They disintegrate on the cam, and it causes a whole slew of issues. So this is my 5.3. I just got this truck maybe a month ago. Honestly, it drives fine. It drives absolutely fine. My oil pressure is absolutely fine. It's always above 40, even when fully warmed up. And currently the motor is fully warmed up. It's at regular operating temperature. Sometimes when I turn it on a cold start, right now it's pretty cold in New York, about 35 degrees. Sometimes when I turn it on, I'll hear the knocking, and it's pretty loud. It's pretty audible, but within a minute or two, it diminishes to this. I want to believe that's a good sign, because if it gets quieter as it warms up, I think that's a good thing. If it was the opposite, then I'd be a little more worried, but this sound definitely does diminish. It sounds like it's coming more from the right side of the motor. I know I got a little oil seepage there. It looks like the oil pan gasket is leaking a little bit. I hear primarily from the right side and kind of from down here. It's a little wet down here. I just changed all my fluids. I'm going to rule out exhaust leak. The bolts look okay. Like I said, the noise really goes away. The power is there. I have no misfires. I have no codes. It idles smoothly. And like I said, the oil pressure is fine. Never goes below 40. Everything else is smooth. Shut the heat off real quick. Pressure goes up and stays there. I don't really notice a loss of oil. I don't want to sound paranoid, but I just got this truck, and I usually do a lot of research, but of course, I'm like, oh, it's a Chevy motor. This thing's got to be bulletproof. As soon as I get it, I notice these noises, and I'm like, what the hell is going on? Of course, I do research nonstop now, and I'm like, Jesus Christ, when is this thing going to explode? But just posting this video to get your guys' feedback. Right now, it's pretty quiet. You may be watching this thinking, wow, it sounds fine. Why are you complaining? What are you worried about? But if you have these cars with high mileage, I hate to say it, but it looks like it's only a matter of time. This is what it sounds like. And my concern is, if you listen closely, I almost heard like a squeaking. I was like, please don't be the camshaft. Please don't be the camshaft. It's the feedback I'm trying to get. So I'll record a little more, get some sound in here. You guys can tell me what you think. Just changed the oil out. Use 5W30. Pennzoil Platinum. Full synthetic, obviously. I just cleaned it. I did a fuel injection cleaner, and I did Marvel Mystery Oil. I ran it for about 300 miles, and that made a difference. Full synthetic with the Marvel Mystery Oil, and when I poured that out, it was about, it looked like a full 5,000 mile oil change. It was pretty dark. I want to say it made a difference. It looked like it made a difference, but it's still some noise. So, tell me what you guys think. You hear that low pitch squeaking? That's what's making me a little nervous. That may be something completely unrelated, but I do not know. That's the squeaking I'm talking about. It's almost like a buzzing. I don't think it's a pulley, but it could be something else. It could be something electrical. Who knows? All right. Thanks for watching.